start with an announcement. This is in regard to the visit of Prime Minister to Mauritius. On the invitation of the Prime Minister of Mauritius, Dr. Navin Chandra Ramgoolam, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will pay a state visit to Mauritius on March 11th and 12th, 2025 to attend the National Day celebrations of Mauritius, which falls on 12th of March. As the chief guest, a contingent of Indian Defence Forces will participate in the celebrations, along with a ship from the Indian Navy. Prime Minister will visited Mauritius in 2015. During the visit, Prime Minister will call on the President of Mauritius, meet with the Prime Minister of Mauritius, and hold several other meetings with important dignitaries, senior leaders from the country. More in regard to the visit, we are issuing a press release. You will get more